Finding the best dating apps for lesbians and queer women in 2025 can be a real struggle, especially when navigating endless profiles or encountering unwanted interactions. But don't worry, we've done the deep dive to bring you the definitive guide for finding your perfect match or community this year. Forget the frustration of sifting through countless options. Our expert analysis reveals the apps that truly deliver for queer women. You'll want to check out the links in the description to start your love story early. We're breaking down the top 5 platforms that revolutionize the queer dating experience. Number 1. Hinge, known for its focus on serious connections and thoughtful prompts, helps you move beyond superficial swipes. Number 2. Bumble puts women in control, allowing them to make the first move, fostering a more comfortable environment. Number 3. OkCupid stands out with its comprehensive questionnaires, ensuring highly compatible matches based on shared values and interests. Number 4. Eharmony might surprise you, but it now boasts clear filters and options for same-gender relationships, evolving into a strong contender for lasting partnerships. Finally, number 5. Her, specifically designed by and for queer women, offers an incredible community beyond just dating, making it a must-try for connection and friendship. Discover which app will finally help you find that special someone and transform your dating life.